What is up guys, Michael from cultureshockcollectibles.com, and I am in Singapore Pokemon card hunting, and I've just found Snore House. You guys have to check this place out. They've got some wicked cards. Let's take a closer look. Alright, heaps of graded cards here, heaps of singles, all in glass cabinets. You got some original stuff, you got Japanese, you got English as well. Heaps of awesome cards. Check out the Gengar, that's sick. Some great stuff. Check these bad boys out. Some big hitters as well. Some great cards. Really great store, great staff. Worth checking out if you're in Singapore here. They've even got Snore House packs, which gives you some English and of course Japanese cards, which is pretty cool. Heaps of individual packs as well. You've got Japanese, you got English, you got some 151 here, even some Vivid Voltage, Temporal Forces, heaps of awesome cards. Some tins, heaps of other Pokemon merchandise as well. They got a lot of that Van Gogh sort of pictures and stuff like that in these sort of packs, which are awesome. Some promotional pricing there, and of course they have heaps of trainer boxes, heaps of Japanese boxes as well, which is awesome. Small single packs, heaps of cards. It hasn't been easy to find a lot of Pokemon stores here in Singapore. Much like Australia, everything is very much sold out, but it's great to come across a store like this. Japanese booster boxes as well. There's some rivals, just pick one of those up. And here are some heavy hitters. Check these bad boys out. All PSA graded, PSA 10 promo cards as well. Yeah, that's for the full set, 18K right there. Beautiful cards. Check these out. SM promos. So huge range of English PSA graded cards as well. Check that out. It's wicked. So much to take a look at, so much to choose from. The boys are doing pack breaks here as well. So super